Today we will be walking through the science internalization process for grade 5, unit 2. To find the step-by-step directions for this process, you can go to the Elementary Science Canvas course and click on the Professional Development tab. Once you are here, you're going to click on the Asynchronous Unit 2 Internalization. Every single step of the process is laid out here with hints to help support your planning. We will begin with the comments and annotation page. So when we first begin the internalization process, we want to create a folder in our Google Drive to keep all of our lessons and information organized. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go to my drive and I'm going to select the location that I want to keep my documents in. So I selected a location in my shared folder so that other members of my team will also have access to this planning document. I created a folder called Grade 5 Science Internalization. If I share the link to this folder with my administration or with my planning team, this counts as sharing my lesson plans so that they have access to see what it is that we are learning in our class this week. And then in this folder is where I will add all of my copies of the internalization process. So as explained in this page, creating a copy allows us to add comments or to annotate, to take out sections, or to modify as needed for my specific class. So we're going to create a copy of the scope and sequence, even if we've already made a copy in the past for Unit 1. We want to do that to make sure that we have the most recently updated scope and sequence information for my current unit. So we are working ahead of you and maybe making changes to Unit 3 even now, so you do not want to just use the very first copy you've made. So again, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to make a copy. I'm going to rename this Luna Internalization Unit 2, and then I'm going to keep the rest, Science, Scope, and Sequence. And again, I'm going to be putting this in my folder to make sure that I can access it later.